Hi, I'm Alicia Polk, founder of Hustle on Sunday, and I'm thrilled to introduce the Corporate Escape Planner and Workbook. If you're stuck in your 9 to 5 and you feel God is calling you to do more, these tools are definitely for you. The planner is a 12-month, undated, faith-based guide, and it's packed with actionable missions, weekly reflections, and uplifting scriptures to keep you aligned with God's plan. Oh, and the workbook? It's your toolkit featuring 80+ templates for vision mapping, financial tracking, and marketing strategies. Together, they're everything you're going to need to turn your God-given purpose into a thriving business. Entrepreneurship isn't just a business move, it's a faith move. You can't build what God has called you to do without a plan and without His guidance. And that's exactly what these resources provide. Grab the planner and the workbook online at Barnes & Noble or Amazon. And you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more tips and inspiration. Your journey to freedom starts now, and I can't wait to see what you build.